Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you how to delete and remove saved Bluetooth devices from your Ford Sync. This video should apply to 14th generation of Ford F-150s made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Now there was a facelift in 2024, so this screen might look a bit different, but I'm pretty sure the process will be the same. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. On the vehicle screen, you want to tap onto this phone icon in the top, and this will get you to the phone list. Now, I have only one connected phone. I think you can have up to 5 or 7, I'm not sure. Once you reach the limit, you will not be able to add new phone without deleting the old phone. So what you will do, you will press onto the phone settings, and you will see here like a trash icon. You're gonna press that, and this will delete it from the vehicle, and now you can connect your new device. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.